Continue on Spring Mill Road for 3/4 of a mile.
Holiday Park.
In a quarter mile, turn right at West 64th Street.
Holiday Road.
Oh, that might be her.
It looks like a turn thing there.
The next right at West 64th Street, then turn left.
Turn left.
I don't really like your directions.
Turn left.
What are you on drugs?
Where is she?
Oh, no, it's taking us to the nature center.
Oh, okay. I was like, where the fuck is this lady?
Wait, that doesn't make sense. Whoa. Cool. It's like the Coliseum in Stonehenge. Different. Well, I don't see anybody in there.
There was somebody in there.
Oh. I never remember what freaking color her thing is.
I know. I thought it was red this time when I saw her come in. I was like, no, maybe it was blue. But those people I thought came out of a blue one. So I was like, maybe it's red. And then I saw her sitting in there.
Yeah.
I'll let you.